These are all scraps left over from projects I've made with my grandma's clothes. They're random shapes, weird sizes, and they don't look like much right now. But I'm about to turn them into something I've never made before. If you've been following the series, you know I've been turning pieces of my grandma's old clothes into things I can actually use. Like this backpack. I asked you guys what I should make next, and honestly you guys gave a lot of great suggestions. I appreciate it, and a lot of you guys subscribed, which is awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. A couple people suggested to make an apron, and I thought that was probably a good idea because I only have this Domino's apron and it's all ripped up, and I never even worked at Domino's. I worked at Pizza Hut. But someone suggested a teddy bear, and at first I was like, I don't know. But the more I thought about it, the more it made sense. It's a good way to use these scraps. They're too small to make anything else with, and I really feel bad just throwing them away. I never made a teddy bear before, so I started with a basic pattern that I found online. Now that we got that done, I can start working on cutting out the fabrics that I want to use. I'm going to use this for the center of the head. This is a little bit of silk from that robe closure I used for the backpack straps. I'm going to use some of this denim, which was a jacket. It'll be the sides of the head. This silk is the same material I used to make those shorts, and I'm going to use it for the back of the head. This was a shirt that I made into a skirt. I'm going to use this for the back of the ears, and I'm going to use it for the back of the body. This was a snap down shirt that I made into another skirt. I made a lot of skirts, not gonna lie. And I'm gonna use this for the inside of the ears. This was from a really, really funky snap down shirt that I made into yet another skirt. And this will be the arms. This is the same denim that I'm gonna use for the sides of the head. I'm gonna use it also for the front of the body. And it also has these buttons on it still, which I'll use for the eyes. This is some velvet from a skirt that I shortened, and I'm going to use this for the front of the legs. For the back of the legs, I'm going to use this, which these were pants, and I made them into this interesting like crop top kind of thing. Okay, I changed my mind. I want to use these for the arms instead of these. So this was going to be used for the back of the bear to match the back of the ears. But it has this at the end, and I think that would be kind of cute as like the end of the paw, you know what I mean? So this will be the arms, and this will be part of the back, I think. All right, we got all the pieces cut up into the right shapes and sizes. Now we can start building. It kind of looks like a mouse, not gonna lie. All right, I got the ears done. Now I need to stuff them, and I just realized I have no stuffing. But I do have this extra pillow that was from my grandma's too. Oh yeah, it's feathers. Yo, look at that. It's so fluffy. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. This stuff is so ridiculously soft. Feels like I'm touching a cloud. All right, I got them all stuffed. Now I need to close up the ends. It's looking more and more like a mouse. All right, so I got the back of the head stitched to the front, and now I'm gonna flip it inside out and see how cursed it looks. It still looks like a mouse. All right, we got the legs on, and for the bottom, I got the nice little ballistic nylon for the, you know, so you can be, yeah, so I put pockets on both sides, and they're tiny little pockets. Like, they look like a pretty big pocket, like it might be the whole thing. But it's really just like that deep. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Also, the legs are kind of big. Like, so that's the head, right? Got a little ass head. And then these big legs. I don't know what I did on this pattern. I copied the pattern off the internet. I didn't like print it out or anything. I just like looked at it and drew it. And I think I got some of the dimensions a little wrong. So I made the back of the body out of that skirt material that I showed you, but the pieces weren't big enough. The way I cut it, it wasn't gonna work. So I'm gonna use some more of this velvet for the back of the body instead. All right, so I got the back on. Now we're gonna see how it's looking. That's quite the stomach. We got the arms on. It's starting to kind of look like something, but I think the thing it's looking like is scary. Now we need to figure out how to get this head on. So we got it back into ball form, and I'm about to attach the head, but before I attach the head, I want to kind of shave down the belly a little bit because it was looking real weird. So I'm just gonna, just a little bit. And I think I got the stomach kind of, I don't know. I did like 6 different lines, and I'm just gonna leave it however it is at this point. It's okay. I did a little something on the back too. If you can see what I'm seeing, we'll see how that turns out. So in order to put the head on, I have to put it inside here too. And there's not a lot of space as it is because those legs are so big. I think I got the head on. I don't know. We'll see. I sewed it like 5 times around. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. Oh, there's the head. That's funny. Alright. Oh, that's an arm. Alright, fine. The arm can come out. Also, I think I might have made a mistake using this down.
It's so fluffy.
Filling because it just keeps coming out, you know? I don't like it. There's a foot. Okay, we got almost 1 full leg out, 2 arms, and a head. Let's get the other leg out. Oh, I see a foot. I see the bottom of a foot. Ah, the other foot's coming out. Oh, we got a leg. Oh, jeez. I ripped it a little. Oh, I think we did it. Oh, man, it's so weird. Its legs are giant. This down feather material that I used for the ears, and I did not do the best job on the ears. These look kind of boxy, not very ear-like. Please forgive me. With that being said, I'm not going to use the
Fluffy.
down material for the rest of the head, body, anything. I found another pillow that was my grandma's as well, and this one has stuffing in it. So now I'm gonna stuff the boy. Wait, that sounded kind of weird. Sorry. All done. The memory rat made 100% from scraps of my grandma's clothes. Please remember I said I never made a teddy bear before, and I still haven't. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to be making some of the other suggestions I got, and if you have any other suggestions for what I should make next, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.